The soldering laboratory LAB-1 is a universal and a very useful tool for the working place of both a radio amateur and a professional. It consists of basic devices needed for design, adjustment and repair of radio electronic equipment, a multimeter, a power supply block and a soldering station. Let's demonstrate how the soldering laboratory operates by assembling and tuning a small radio electronic device as an example. Using the multimeter of the laboratory, it is possible to measure the direct and alternating voltage from 200 mV to 600 volts, the strength of direct current up to 10 amperes and resistance up to 200 megaohms, as well as to carry out testing of diodes and transistors, and also to perform ring-outs of electric circuits. The device automatically detects the polarity of the measured voltage and current, and all readouts are easily read on a lighted liquid crystal display. The assembling and repair of radio electronic devices can be easily carried out using a soldering station. The soldering station has the galvanic decoupling from the mains, and the solder is supplied with secure voltage of 24 volt. The ceramic heater of 48 watt provides quick heating and together with the electronic control maintains the exact required temperature. The temperature can be set up in the range from 150 to 450 Celsius. The power supply block has 6 fixed values of stabilized voltage from 3 to 12 volts at the maximum load of up to 2 amperes. The power supply block has short circuit protection. So, we have all the equipment required to assemble, adjust and repair radio electronic equipment in one casing, convenient and compact enough for a workplace.